Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will read a text file and display the words ending with E and also count the number of words that ends with E. To open the source file in read mode, we have to write with open sample.txt, R as fh. To read the first line and store it in line, we have to write line is equal to fh.readLine. While line will loop the text file until the end of file will occur. To read each and every line in the text file, we have to write line is equal to fh.readLine. It will read all the lines that are there in the sample.txt file. To get each word, we can use split function, which will separate the words of a line, and the separator by default is space. Split function splits a string and returns a list containing split strings as members. Now we can look through words to check whether the last character of the word ends with E. For word in line.split, we'll have all the words in the file. Now we'll check whether the last character of each word is E. We know the negative indexing of a list starts with -n and ends with -1. To get the last character, we have to write if word -1 double is equal to E, then we have to print the word. As E is a string, we have to write in single quote. If we'll execute the program, we will get all the words that ends with E. If we want to get the words side by side with some spaces, then we can write print double comma end within single quote /t. We can see the result. Now we'll see the source program, which is sample.txt. We can find any word ending with any letter. To find the letters ending with R, instead of E, we have to write R. Then we will get all the words that ends with R. There are only 4 letters which ends with R. Similarly, we can get all the words that ends with D. There are only 2 words that ends with D. World and diamond. To get the number of words that end with E, we can use a counter. First, we have to initialize the counter to 0. Inside for loop, we can increment the counter by 1. To get the number of words we have to write print within bracket count comma count. To print each line separately, we can have an extra print statement. Now we'll execute the code and we'll get all the words that ends with E, and total number of words that ends with E is 14. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.